This video will help you with testing solutions to inequalities. Our problem says, which of the m values satisfy the following inequality? 5m plus 1 is less than or equal to 4. So anytime we don't have x as a variable, we're just going to change the variable to x so that we can put it into Desmos. And I see that the solution to my inequality is going to be m, or x, is less than or equal to 0.6. So it's asking me what values of m satisfy the inequality. I can go ahead and I can put in x equals 0, and that blue line is inside the shaded region, which is good. X equals 1, the green line is outside of the shaded region, so it does not satisfy my inequality. And x equals 2, which is again outside of the shaded region. So the only value that makes sense that satisfies my inequality is going to be m equals 0. Now it does say choose all that apply. So if I had multiple answers that worked, I would select all of them. But in this case, I only have one. Let's do another one together. So I've got 7 plus a is less than 11. So 7 plus x is less than 11. And then what's going to satisfy my inequality? I have x equals 3. I have x equals 4. And I have x equals 5. So x equals 3, this red line, immediately, yes, it's in my shaded region. X equals 4 is on the dotted line. So if I'm looking at my inequality, right here I've got a dotted line or a dashed line, and x equals 4 is going to be right on it. You can see the blue line there. This does not satisfy my inequality because it's dashed or it's dotted. If it were solid, it would, but because it's not solid, it doesn't. And then finally, x equals 5, outside of my shaded region, no question, it does not work. Oops. Okay, finally, again, I said this last time, but we will do one more. 2 is greater than or equal to x over 5 minus 1. Scroll out until I see where my line is. And I need to know if x equals 15 is a solution, if x equals 20 is a solution, and x equals 25. So looking here, definitely not 20, definitely not 25, because these two lines are outside of the shaded region. If I clear away my black line, I see I have a solid purple line. And then that black line goes right on top of that. So this does work out since my line is solid, not dashed or not dotted. It's solid. So y equals 15 or x equals 15 is going to be the only answer that I have.